In this video I will show you an easy way on how to take off with your glider with the throw and go method. First you need to sort all your lines as you would do normally and be sure that you don't have any knots in it. After that, clip yourself into the harness, same as if you would do while ground handling or when reverse launching. Now grab the brakes and put them around your wrist. Grab both your A risers and start collecting all the lines with your other hand, including the A ones, but without releasing the A risers. Collect your glider until the very end of the lines and grab everything except your A risers with the other hand. If you manage to collect the glider in a somewhat symmetric way, it's easier for the glider to come up straight after throwing it. If not, it will come up in an asymmetric way and you need to correct it more. You're now ready to throw your glider. After throwing it, make a few steps back and pull the A risers that you kept holding into your hands to inflate the wing correctly. If one part of the wing opens first, you need to correct it by slowing it down. Everything that comes after throwing it is just ground handling skills and needs some practice. One thing to note is that the smaller the wing and the shorter the lines are, the easier it will be to perform a throw and go launch. You also need a good amount of wind strength, the more the easier it will be. If the wind is strong enough, you can also do it on a bigger paraglider. I would suggest you to practice it with a stronger wind where you are able to keep the glider easily over your head while ground handling, because if the wind is too weak, it's more difficult to inflate the wing after throwing it, and you need to compensate that with faster backwards running to actually create pressure to inflate the wing, which will also let your glider fall down to the ground if you give him the wrong inputs, while stronger wind will forgive more.